Governor Mike Parson going to be joining us here in a couple of minutes, but before we do that, we got to check in with Scott Crothers from Stifel Nicholas. Good morning, Scott.
Good morning, McGraw.
Yesterday, we were all over the place. What happened?
We were all over the place, but we ended down. The Dow dropped 327 points to 25,379. Geopolitical issues and concerns about the impact of tariffs after weak industrial earnings soured the market sentiment, pushing stocks down more than 1%. Increased safe haven demand pushed treasuries and gold prices higher, and the dollar rose against the euro. So not a great day yesterday, but it looks a little better today.
All right, we'll get to that in a second. Let's get some company news. What do we hear about Honeywell?
Honeywell International reported better than expected quarterly earnings and lifted its full-year forecast. Honeywell is benefiting from a rise in global travel and expanding economic growth. Net income increased to $2.34 billion, or $3.11 a share, from $1.35 billion, or $1.74 a share a year earlier. Shares are up 3% in the pre-market to about $160 a share. So that's a nice sign.
All right. What about our friends at Ford?
Now, Ford Motor Company stock is at a nearly 9-year low as the company is squeezed by tariffs and trade tensions. In closed-door meetings, members of Ford National Dealer Network showed off future versions of their popular Explorer and Escape, as well as a new Ranger midsize truck. Ford will refresh 75% of its lineup over the next 2 years. Ford is expected to report a decline in third-quarter profits on October 24th, and shares of Ford right now are sitting all the way down at $8.50 a share.
All right. And then finally, quickly, PayPal. What do we know about them?
PayPal's third-quarter profit beat estimates as the company signed up more new customers and their volume of payment process increased. Net income rose to $436 million, or 36 cents a share, from $380 million, or 31 cents a share. Venmo, its peer-to-peer payment app popular with younger customers, processed $17 billion of payments in the third quarter, growing 78%. I hear that, from my kids all the time, Venmo me this or Venmo me that. Which is kind of crazy.
Hey, Dad, give me a 10. No, Venmo it to me, Dad. I'm out the door. God, they don't
Exactly.
even want to talk to you anymore. They just want you to send it to them.
I know, and you can just get on there and just Venmo it straight over.
Yeah.
PayPal is up 6% pre-market, up to $82.62 a share from $77.48 at the close yesterday.
These kids are going to ruin America. Markets today, Scott Crothers.
Today the futures look up 100 points right now. We just got, we're supposed to get earnings for Procter & Gamble and Schlumberger. And, in fact, Procter & Gamble just beat first-quarter estimates, and Schlumberger profit rises 18.2% on a higher oil field demand. So both good things that just came out a few seconds ago. Also, we get existing home sales for September, and we're expecting about 5.3 million. So we get that at 10 o'clock.
Scott Crothers, have yourself a good day. Thanks for checking in.
Sounds great.